Imagine this. You wake up in the middle of the night, look out your window, and the moon looks different. At first you think your eyes are playing tricks on you, but then you realize it's not the moon at all, it's Mars. Or maybe even Jupiter. What would happen to Earth if the moon suddenly swapped places with another planet? Tonight, let's take a mind-bending journey through the cosmos and explore the terrifying yet fascinating consequences. The familiar moon. Our moon may look small and quiet, but it plays a massive role in keeping Earth stable. It controls our tides, affects the length of our days, and even keeps our planet's tilt steady. Without it, Earth could wobble wildly, changing climates in ways that could make life nearly impossible. But let's imagine an alternate reality, one where the moon is suddenly replaced by another world. If Mercury became our moon. First up, Mercury. Slightly bigger than the moon, covered in craters, and scorching hot on one side while freezing cold on the other. If Mercury orbited us, nights would become brighter and tides would grow stronger. The lunar cycle would shorten, making time itself feel different. But overall, Earth could probably survive this cosmic switch. What if Venus took the moon's place? Now things get strange. Venus is nearly Earth's twin in size, but it reflects 6 times more sunlight than the moon. If Venus became our moon, nights would glow as bright as twilight. It would look enormous in the sky, almost unsettlingly so. But here's the catch. Venus is too massive. Instead of orbiting Earth, the two planets would likely begin orbiting each other in a deadly dance, leading to an eventual collision. The red glow of Mars. What about Mars? Twice the size of the moon, with a reddish tint that would paint our nights blood red. Tides would grow so extreme they'd cause devastating mega tsunamis. But here's the exciting part. Earth and Mars might eventually become a double planet system, orbiting around a shared center. Suddenly, the dream of traveling to Mars wouldn't be so far-fetched. It would be right above us every single night. The horror of Jupiter. Now let's get terrifying. If Jupiter replaced the moon, Earth wouldn't last long. Jupiter is over 300 times more massive than Earth. Its gravity would rip our planet apart, pulling oceans, tearing mountains, and shattering the crust. Within a single day, Earth would be dragged into Jupiter's atmosphere and swallowed whole. Beautiful to imagine, but absolutely fatal. Saturn and its rings. If Saturn became our moon, it would be the most breathtaking sight in the sky. A golden sphere with shimmering rings stretching from horizon to horizon. But beauty comes with a price. Earth would once again become a satellite of Saturn, doomed to spiral into the gas giant. Even if we survive for a short time, powerful tectonic shift would tear the surface apart. A spectacular ending, but an ending nonetheless. The ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. And what if our moon were swapped with Neptune or Uranus? Both are icy giants, massive blue-green spheres. The sky would be dominated by a glowing orb so large it would cause frequent solar eclipses. Tides would become 1,000 times stronger than today. Earthquakes, volcanoes, and storms would never stop. Civilization as we know it would collapse under the weight of these unstoppable cosmic forces. Back to reality. Luckily, this is just a thought experiment. Our moon is exactly the right size in exactly the right place to keep Earth stable and life thriving. It might seem ordinary, but without it, we probably wouldn't exist at all. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate our cosmic companion. Because out of all the possible moons the universe could have given us, we got the one that makes life on Earth possible. Closing note, pass call to curiosity. And now I'll leave you with a question. If you could choose one planet to see in place of the moon, just for one night, safely without any destruction, what would it be? Mars glowing red? Saturn's majestic rings? Or Neptune's giant blue face staring back at you? So, in the end, our little gray moon might seem boring compared to the giants of our solar system. But it's actually the perfect guardian of Earth. It gives us balance, stability, and the rhythm of the tides. Without it, life might never have developed the way it did. The universe is full of terrifying possibilities, but also endless beauty. And sometimes the most extraordinary thing of all is the familiar. If this journey through alternate worlds made you think differently about the moon, just imagine what other secrets the cosmos is hiding. Because the next great cosmic discovery? It might happen tomorrow, and remember, whenever you look up at the night sky, you're not just seeing the moon, you're seeing the silent reason we're here at all. Stay curious, keep wondering, and until next time, look up.